Hi guys, my name is Adriana Mendiola. I'm a fashion designer based in Los Angeles, California. Welcome to my channel. Just to preface on my background, I'm a technical designer as well, and I've worked in the industry for about 8 years now. I've had the opportunity to work with some major brands, some that you might know, and while I loved working with them, I did not like the 9 to 5, so I decided that I would start my own line. And it's been a struggle, just like with any business. You have ups and downs, but mostly ups. I wish somebody would have been there to tell me what not to do and to give me some insight on how to run a business. So here I am, because I don't want you to make the same mistakes I did, and also there's a lot of competition, so you need to have an edge, and I'm here to give that to you, so stay tuned. Today I'm going to show you guys how to thread an overlock machine. So my machine is a Pegasus overlock. I opened up the compartment so you can see inside. I have placed 4 white threads and I've only tied the last looper. So you can see you can actually tie it and pull it through the machine, so you don't have to fully thread the whole thing. This only works if your machine obviously is already pre-threaded and you want to change colors. Next, I'm going to pull all the black threads I had previously threaded, and I'm going to place the white second bottom looper from the outside through the holes at the top and the holes at the top of the machine around the tension knob. Just follow the guide. Obviously, sometimes the guide is really annoying and confusing, so just take a look here. I used a tweezer, which you can buy anywhere. I got mine at Ace on 8th in Los Angeles. You can buy them at Joann's, you can buy them on Amazon, and my camera's falling. Make sure to thread the thread through the furthest back hole that I'm pointing at. Normally, the machine is marked with color coordinated dots that you follow, but it's still confusing. I'll be releasing videos in series, as well as how to run a fashion business. So subscribe if you find this information useful.